Hello guys, so today we are going to be unboxing this awesome speaker. As you can see guys, this speaker is really big and it's called the JBL Athletics 500 and it's a really awesome high quality speaker from JBL guys, as you can probably see. So while I'm unboxing this, I will tell you the specifications. So this speaker retails for $700 or 660 euros. So right now you can buy the speaker actually at a relatively low cost compared to the original cost because it has 29% discount. So I bought this for 500 euros actually. This is how the speaker looks like. Also the speaker comes in a nice bag that, because I already made some testing with this speaker, here is how the bags look like, and I can tell you guys that for sure this delivers. So this design is inspired by the retro speakers that JBL and by Harman of course made, and as you can see has some little details right here for since like 1949, 46 years, as you can see. And guys, let's get into the testing so you can see how it sounds. But before we go there, this speaker has 270 watts total power. It has one 6.75 inch woofer, 3 aluminum dome tweeters, and 3 right here woofers for the mids, which are 2.75 inches each. So as you can see here guys, you have the dials. This is the volume, this is like the Bluetooth button, this is the treble and the bass control. All these buttons feel awesome guys, I can assure you that. From behind, as you can see guys, we have one Ethernet port, one Type-C, which is for maintenance use only, so you can use it anyway. And we have an aux port, which is really useful because you can connect this to your PC and have awesome quality sound, because this actually supports Dolby Atmos. Also guys, you can see there is a button here. This is for the microphone, because you have actually built-in Alexa and Google in this speaker, which is really awesome because you can have smart home, and you can also of course connect it to the Wi-Fi, which is really seamless actually, because as you might seen some other reviews from earlier when this speaker released, they said the app was a bit finicky and stuff like that. Now I can assure you that it's actually fixed. It's not everything really that polished right now, but it works for sure, and I didn't have any problems with the app. So let's get right into it. So right now guys, the speaker is starting. Awesome lights right there. Let's connect it to my device so we can test some songs. Can press the Bluetooth button and right there, connected with my other phone right now. All connected guys, so seamlessly and fast, no problems. So let's test out some not copyrighted songs that you can actually hear and see by yourself how it sounds like. Of course we are going to test some other songs that are copyrighted, because I don't get monetized from this video. I also don't get paid. So yeah, let's start off by using this song, which has a lot of bass actually. We're about 50% volume right now, 50. here you can control everything. Treble, basic level. So the speaker looks in front, side profile. Just wait for the basic. So guys, this was the test. As you can see, and here of course it sounds awesome, and yeah, it's a really lovely speaker to have. Also guys, what's important is that this speaker is only powered by cable, so you need to plug it in. That's one thing. Right now guys, we are setting up the app and it tells us to press the hard button. Now it's successfully connected, and now I'm going to put my Wi-Fi password. Right now guys, it's connecting, and when you connect to it, it will also automatically check for updates, so you don't have to worry about it. Guys, right now it's checking for the latest firmware, as you can see. Let's just wait for it. So guys, this is what you see in the app. So when you get in, you just press here, software update available actually. Let's do that and update it now so you can see. So it said do not power off on level there. Okay, so we just let this here sit for a bit and it will finish the update eventually. So guys, this is the version I'm testing in right now, and it updated very successfully, and it was actually pretty seamless and fast. So guys, this is what you get in the app. As you can see, we have every service to set up. You can have these services actually built in the app. Let's get off this. And as you can see, we have the default equalizer right now, so for testing purposes. And you can have everything right here. Here it is. You have the Alexa, then the Google, and it's actually really nice. I tested it and it actually works. And you can actually talk to the assistant while you play songs. So it's a really nice addition that you can play songs and actually use the other Alexa and stuff like that. Also guys, you can use broadcast, so you can talk to the phone while you actually play songs. So you can play songs while talking to the phone and it's uninterrupted. So for testing purposes right now, I'm going to put another song, and to end it off, I'm going to tell you one more fact. So this speaker actually automatically knows where you are, because it has 1, 2, 3 microphones that automatically after 2, 3, 5 minutes of playing music, it automatically tunes itself so it sounds good in your room. Because when you have a really big speaker, that is very, very crucial and important, because when you are in a small room, it can sound very muddy and stuff like that. Not this speaker, but other speakers, and it can sound very frustrating and tiring actually after a long time. So the self-adjusting feature that this speaker has works awesome guys, and it's top notch guys. This speaker is top notch. You will never regret getting this. So let's test just one song which has very, very nice vocals and high pitched sound, so you can hear how actually clean this sound from this speaker is, because it's insane to think about it. Because you can see it's a big speaker. Because you can see it's a big speaker, but it actually, even at low volume, it sounds like you don't know where it's coming from. Just sounds awesome guys. So let's a metal song right now. This is about 50% volume right now at the stock equalizer. This is how the knobs light up. Actually, nice. Now at 50% again. Enjoy the sound, guys. Insane, guys, insane. The reverb does it. So guys, right now, let's test it at maximum volume. I'm going to get out of this room just to demonstrate how loud it is, because when you are in a place, anywhere basically, with this speaker at max volume, you will get deaf, guys. This is a sure thing. You will get deaf. So wish me luck. I'm going outside and putting a song right now. So guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is basically the first video I've done like this. And if you have any questions about this speaker, any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. If you want to contact me, my Instagram is down in the link below. Bye bye.